gonna go fill up some more water.
Oh my gosh, yo.
Shouldn't be moved, what? It's covered be 2 minutes.
Yeah. Is it melting?
Still a little.
Eat it, it's yourself.
There's still ice there.
Just tell me when it is melted, okay? I'm gonna just...
Okay, it's gone. Pause it.
Okay, so it is like...
It's 2 minutes and 21 seconds.
Yep. 2 minutes and 21 seconds.
There. I'm gonna go fill up some more water. You wanna go fill up some water?
Yes.